Here we are finally on the cliffs of Moher, the great majestic cliffs of Moher, and with Chandni, who is feeling a little cold right now. So this is some information how you can come here, but we'll skip this part.
And if you're not coming, hi Amit, are you cold?
A little bit, but here we are on these great cliffs of Moher, where many movies have been shot, including Harry Potter, some scenes of Harry
And
Potter.
Half-Blood Prince.
And
That part of Harry Potter.
the height of this cliff is
509 feet.
509 feet.
How many meters is that?
So 1 feet.
Few moments later.
See, my height, for example, is around 6 feet,
3 days later.
which is something around 170 centimeters.
The next day.
So I'll say that 1 meter has around 3 feet. Some
Approximately, yeah.
1 eternity later.
So 500 feet would be around 150, 160 meter.
Yeah, 155 meters. That's our bus. Look how pretty this is.
So if you are coming to cliffs, make sure that you don't do what those guys over there were doing. You should not go anywhere close to the cliffs because the cliffs are really steep, and over here in the past few years I've heard so many news of people falling from the cliffs because of taking selfies. So now she will share her experience.
This is my first time here. I've been living in Dublin for almost 2 years now, and it's surprising that I'm seeing Cliffs of Moher for the first time. I was a bit reluctant to come in this weather, but I'm so glad we did this tour, and it's a must-see place in Ireland.
Yeah,
It's one of the most famous places in Ireland.
So if you are coming to Ireland, make sure you come to cliffs on the first month or so, unlike Chandni, who've been living here for 2 years now. And I've also got my drone today, but I don't think I would be able to fly in this weather. Should I try?
You can try, but this is a no drone zone, and I don't want anything bad to happen with this.
Already nothing good is happening with us, so no, but anyway, I don't think I'll be flying because first of all, I'm not very good with drone flying till now, and I don't want to lose my drone over here because the winds are really strong, and
It's 39 kilometers per hour. The
Are
wind
you-
speed.
are you some kind of artificial intelligence?
I'm like the weather reporter.
No, I think she just bluffs on everything.
No, see, check your phone.
Okay, take out your phone.
Okay, around 39.
So guys, today is the time to decide if all the information she gives is correct or not. So you said 39,
Yeah. Look, it's 31, sorry.
but still not very far. So I think that's the only thing you do whole day. Look at the weather. But nonetheless, it's amazing out here. So we are heading back to our bus now. Today we walked for around 7-8 kilometers easily, just in Cliffs of Moher. And Chandni, did you love Cliffs of Moher?
Yes, I did.
That's it?
I'm cold.
Share a little bit more.
I'm cold.
Why you always give like one word answer?
Because I'm a very reserved person. I don't talk a lot.
But if you have to, anyway,
Yeah,
So-
if I have to what?
if you have to speak in front of camera, you have to have more than one words. Otherwise, why people will watch our videos if we
Okay, I'll
don't
talk.
have?
Okay.
So now Chandni will tell her experience in 2 words. At least something is better than nothing. So, all right, go
I
on.
enjoyed walking. I'm not a big fan of walking, but I enjoyed walking because of the breathtaking view.
Okay, second.
Even though I was
Third. So we are done with Cliffs of Moher, and now
we are heading to some castle. I think it's called Burnetty Castle.
and then from there we'll be heading back to Dublin. So that was a 1-day trip. We left Dublin around 9 in the morning, and we'll be going back to Dublin at 5 or 6. So it's a nice 1-day tour. So we have came to the famous Bunratty Castle. It's just over there. You can see. Now people can book that castle for weddings or any other function, but I believe it would be very expensive. All the rich people in Ireland may do that. Behind me is the famous pub which was established 400 years back. This is the Keys Nally. This was established in 1620.